Hi students, in this video we will be solving a possible 5-marker question from Matrices chapter. This is question number 15 from the exercise 3.2. In Karnataka PU board exam, in part D main, a 5-marker question appears from Matrices chapter, and this is one of the possible questions. So if you go to playlist and look for 5-marker questions, you can easily find that video in the folder related to Matrices chapter. Let's check question number 15. Find a square minus 5a plus 6i if matrix A is equal to this. They have given us a 3 cross 3 matrix and we have to find a square minus 5a plus 6i. Here, it is not that we have to verify something, or we have to show something, or we have to prove something. Here, we are finding the value of this. So, while solving such sums, you have to be very careful. You have to verify. Once you do it, you have to check again. The reason being, you may not know the right answer. So, when it is to be verified or when it is to be proved something, you are sure what your answer should be. But here, it may not be the case. So, you solve and check once again. But this is a very easy sum. You just need to know matrix multiplication and matrix addition and subtraction. That's all. So now here you look at the terms. We have a square. That means we have to find a square, that is a into a. Then we have to find 5a and also we have to find 6i. What is I here? I is an identity matrix. So when we are considering an identity matrix, what is the order of the matrix that we need to consider? Look at this matrix A. It's of the order 3 cross 3, right? So 5A will be a matrix of order 3 cross 3. A square will be a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So our identity matrix should also be of the order 3 cross 3. So we are considering the identity matrix. This is what it is. It will have all diagonal elements as 1 and all other elements will be 0. Then we will find 6i. 6i is you multiply 6 to each and every term of the identity matrix. So diagonal element will be 6 and other elements will be 0. Now we have found 6i. We have to find 5a. So we will consider matrix A and multiply by a constant 5. That means we will be multiplying this 5 to each and every element of this matrix A. So that will be 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 5 into 0 is 0. So we have found 5a also. Now we have to find a square. That is, we will multiply matrix A with itself, that is A into A. So I have written matrix A into matrix A. Now we shall consider first row and multiply with the corresponding terms of the first column. Then we'll proceed to multiply with the corresponding terms of the second column and finally with the third column. Is this clear? So then we'll consider second row. Then we follow the similar procedure. We'll multiply with the first, second and third column elements. I mean to say the corresponding elements. Again we'll consider third row. We will multiply with the corresponding elements of first, second and third columns. So to begin with, I'm considering first row and first column. That would be 2 into 2 plus 4, 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 1 plus 1. So it will be 4 plus 0 plus 1. Now I'm considering first row, second column. That is 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So it is 0 minus 1. Now I'm considering first row and third column. So 2 into 1 is 2, 0 into 3 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So it is 2 plus 0 plus 0. Now I am considering second row and first column. That is 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3. So it is 4 plus 2 plus 3. Now I will be considering second row, second column. 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is plus 1, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So it is 0 plus 1 minus 3. Now second row, third column. 2 into 1 is 2. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 2 plus 3 plus 0. Now I'll consider third row and first column. That is 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 0 into 1 is 0. So it is 2 minus 2 plus 0. Now I'll consider third row, second column. So it is 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 0 into minus 1 is 0. So it is 0 minus 1 plus 0. Now we'll consider third row, third column. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 0 into 0 is 0. Now when we simplify, we get the matrix A square. This is 5 and this is minus 1 and this is 2. This is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9 and this is minus 2. This is 5. This is 0. This is 1 and this is minus 2. So this is what is matrix A square. Now if you look at the terms here, we have found A square, we have found 5A and also we have found 6I. So we'll consider this whole equation and we'll substitute all the matrices. So I have considered 6I, 5A and A square. I am considering A square minus 5A plus 6I. I'll substitute the corresponding matrices here. So this is A square, this is 5A, this is 6I. So we will be simplifying the corresponding elements. That is 5 minus 10 plus 6. Minus 1, here it is. Minus 1 minus 0 plus 0. This is what it is. Now 2 minus 5 plus 0. 9 minus 10 plus 0. So this is the term. Minus 2 minus 5 plus 6. Then it is 5 minus 15 plus 0. Then 0 minus 5 plus 0. Then it is minus 1 minus of minus 5. So plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 0. Then it is minus 2 minus 0 plus 6. So we'll be simplifying the corresponding terms. Keep that in mind. Now on simplifying, we get A square minus 5A plus 6I. So if you simplify, this will be 11 minus 10. So 1. And this is minus 1. This is minus 3. And this is again minus 1. This is again minus 1. This is minus 10. This is minus 5. This is 4. And again this is 4. So we have found A square minus 5A plus 6I. So this is what it is. If you still have any doubt, please do mention it in the comment section.